In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up and clean the Catit water fountain for cats. And this is an amazing water fountain. We've had this for 3 years and it works marvelously. So I've seen one tutorial on how to do it on YouTube, but I'm going to show you a little trick that I do. So of course, make sure you unplug it. Open it up by just lifting here. And then of course, from here what you want to do is empty your water out. And then you got this one cord here. This part here is actually held down by a suction cup. So if you just lift, you'll see it's just like a suction cup on here. And to open this up, there's like this little frame here. On the very bottom of this lift here, you want to pull up on that. And that just snaps off. And then pretty much the rest is self-explanatory. Get you some dishwasher soap and wash it out really good. And of course, you just loop it and just reverse everything I just did. Okay, what you want to do is after you've cleaned it out and you put water in it, you want to align it back up. Now, keep in mind you want to keep it unplugged the whole time. So you're just going to reverse doing what you did here. You want to pop this part back on, and this part is a little tricky. So with the little filter here, what you want to do is set it in those little 4 grooves to where it's lined up with the 4 grooves. And what you want to do is take this portion off, the top portion, flower part off, this top portion that has the filter. And you want to use your eyes and you want to look down there and you want to line it up. So you want to make sure that that hole goes to the hole of the filter. And once you can see that it's lined up, and you want to use this part as your guide, make sure it goes over that lip there. And it looks like it's center. And then we put this part on.